So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, andito tayo ngayon sa screen ng cellphone ko. So susubukan natin tumawag ngayon sa GCash. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron akong previous na nagawa na ng tutorial dito. So marami na din kasing nagko-comment dun sa tutorial ko. Nagawan ko ulit siya ng panibago since parang hindi na daw, iba na daw yung format or iba na daw yung way ng pagtawag sa GCash ngayon. So trinay ko siya. So iba na nga yung lumalabas. So i-dial lang natin yung 2882 gamit tayo ng globe number. To make sure lang globe number po yung gamitin natin kasi globe yung gamit ko, and make sure na may balance po tayo at least 1 peso para makakonect tayo sa GCash. So yan no, nandiyan na yung number ng GCash 2882, then call natin siya. Ayan. So loudspeaker natin.
Using illegal cell sites to hijack messages. Remember, official GCash will never send links. Stay alert.
So lagay natin yung dial pad para
calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1. Otherwise,
press 1 kung ikaw daw yung owner ng account.
GBonds is temporarily unavailable. Our partner, Stax, is working to restore the service as soon as possible. To assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready.
So ready daw natin yung GCash number natin.
On an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For reporting lost or stolen phone or SIM, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. So
ang lagi ko lang pinipindot dito guys, kahit anong concern natin, is press 4 lang lagi.
You may visit the help center and help desk. For scam-related concerns, press 1. For account takeover, press 2. For unauthorized transactions, press 3. For follow-up on ticket status, press 4. For other concerns, press 5.
So other concern, press 5. So sundan nyo lang tong pinipress ko mga idol.
You may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise, press 0 or end this call.
So press 1. Then wait lang natin, kapag tumunog na siya, nag-hold na siya, hintayin natin magsalita yung customer service.
Will be recorded for training and quality assurance purposes.
So minsan mabilis, minsan matagal bago sila sumagot. Kailangan lang tiyagaan natin yung paghihintay hanggang sa sumagot po sila. So minsan yung sa akin nga umaabot ng 10 to 15 minutes bago nila sagutin. So kapag tumutunog siya ng ganyan, ibig sabihin lang connecting na siya. Yung mga customer service, may mga kausap lang tayong, may kausap lang silang ibang mga customer. So wait lang natin na sagutin nila yung call ninyo.
We are currently receiving a high volume of calls. For immediate support, please use our self-service options, tap Help in your GCash app or go to help.gcash.com. Otherwise, please stay on the line.
So yan lang guys, no? Kung nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Basta kapag ganyan tunog po siya, maghintay lang kayo hanggang sa sumagot yung customer service natin. So para hindi na humaba yung video na to, so dito ko na siya ikakat para at least alam niyo na kung paano yung process ng pagtawag sa GCash. So just to make sure lang, dahil madaming tumatawag sa GCash, so ganyan lang yung process niya. At least alam niyo na kung paano siya i-dial.